Hi guys, so I am done with my DIY electric skateboard with Focbox 12S2P and 5065. They sound real mean. Check this out. Alright, I gotta put it in a case next. But let me show you how to set up the Focbox UI. A Focbox. So a Focbox is very similar to VESC Android app. So you can download this for Android. I don't know if it's available for Apple, but go ahead and download it. And make sure you scan and connect to the Bluetooth. And go to guided setup. Hit OK. Set your number of cells. So I have a 12S2P, so it's 12 cells. If you have 10S2P, 10S3P, 4P, 5P, it's 10. Yada yada yada. So 12 cells. That will set the cutoff voltage automatically. Hit OK. Maximum battery discharge. So Samsung 30T is, you can actually do up to 25 amps. Based on testing, you can also do up to 35 based on the specs. But you know, you always want to sort of set it a little bit lower than the maximum so your battery lasts longer. So I'm going to give it 20 amps per cell. Since it's 2P, that's going to be 40. So I'm going to set that to about around 40 is fine. That should be very safe. Braking current, I'm going to set it maybe less than the discharge, a little bit less. Negative 30 looks fine. And I'm going to go ahead and hit start test. And this will test your motors. And it will say hand spin each wheel in the forward direction. So just spin it in the forward direction, which is away from the front this way until this thing goes over. Okay. Now go ahead and hit OK. And go ahead and set motor currents. I think these maximum is actually 60 amps, 50 amps. Somewhere around the maximum should be okay. So I'm going to just set it to 50 for now. Negative, I don't know, maybe put like negative 35 should be good enough. You can change all these values later. And then go ahead and hit apply updated config. Hit OK. Remote configuration, hit OK. If you are using PPM mode, then you should have connected the 3-wire that came with it right here. And then you should have connected, if you're using a Flipski VX1 like me, connect it here. I like just using PPM, it just makes everything simpler. And I like to have forward and reverse. Hit OK. And go ahead and calibrate by going up and down, up and down. And this will mark the 100, and I already did it, that's why it's going right now. And then hit OK. And this CAN mode disable, OK. Apply updated config. And hit OK. And hit OK. And you can see this will show you the current kilometers per hour. Woo, 55 with no load, so it's going 55. So it should be able to do like 40 kilometers just fine. Should be plenty fast. So yeah, I gotta just put it in the box, and sounds pretty mean. I really like these motors, the 5065. They just really, yeah, they have 270 kV, so I think you can get a much higher top speed than something with more torque. So I don't know, we'll try it out. Try it on the hills. Try the wheels, and I'll have an update after I put it in the box. I'm going to use this homemade box made by Greg, my friend from Pennsylvania. I've got a bunch of these, but this is the only one that'll actually fit. It's perfect. So I have a box. The clearance is not too good. Well, it's not too bad. It should be about 2 inches. That should be plenty. This is just a prototype, so yeah, board pretty much done. Really happy with the results. It's not perfect. This is temporary until I get the 120 millimeter wheels, 125 millimeter air tires. Yeah, but I really like it. I really want to go ride this and see how it feels. Goodbye.